Hi friends, Sandesh from Coolex Industries, and today we are making the demo of this smaller fryer which is 4 liters, and one of our customer want to make the demo with the donuts. So we are trying the donut now. First we'll pour the oil in the fryer. It's about 4 liters. You can see the power light is on, the green light, and I am setting the temperature to 180 degrees. For donuts we need a temperature of about 180 degrees, and you can see the power hot light is on. So once the hot light is off, the oil is ready for cooking. Yeah, this is the basket. You can hang the basket here like this, and once there is a food inside, you can drop the basket like this. And here is the cap. After closing your business, then only you need to put the cap, or else cap is not necessary at all. Let the oil gets heated, then we will put the donuts into the fryer. Now you can see the hot light is off. That means the oil reached 180 degrees centigrade, and now we can put the donuts. These are center filling donuts, so there will be no hole inside. After it's fried, we can fill the jam inside. Why people use these kind of fryers? These are temperature control, so that oil don't get burnt. Generally any oil like sunflower or any oil, after 220 degrees it becomes black and it gets burnt. Here once you put the oil at 180 degrees, the oil temperature is constant and it doesn't get burnt. The temperature of oil is about 179 degrees. I am checking the temperature with the infrared gun. It's about 176.7 degrees. We can remove the top fryer head like this, and we can drain the oil into the container again. Trail of it. Fryer is having 4 parts. One is the bottom box, you can see. Next is the main heater unit, which is having the heater, the thermostat and the 2 indicators. Top lid, and also the oil container.